Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. In this video, we're exploring the switch function introduced in Excel 2019. It's a powerful alternative to the ifs function and eliminates the complexity of nesting multiple if statements when dealing with a list of values and their corresponding results. The switch function starts with an expression as the first argument. This is the value you're testing. The next pair of arguments are value 1, the first condition to compare against the expression, and result 1, which is the output if value 1 matches the expression. You can add multiple value-result pairs to handle additional conditions. And finally, you can specify a default value as the last argument, which is returned if no matches are found. Let's explore the switch function with a simple example. In this example, we're calculating discounts for customers based on their payment method. The formula displayed on the screen is designed to evaluate the value in cell B2 against a list of payment method types. Here's how it works. If the payment method is online, the formula calculates a 5% discount on the amount in C2. For Visa, the discount is 8%, and for Master, it's 10%. If the payment method doesn't match any of these, the default value of 0 is returned, meaning no discount is applied. Once the formula is entered, you can use the fill handle to quickly copy it down to the entire column. As you can see, the discount is dynamically calculated for each customer based on their payment method. Customers using cash as their payment method receive no discount because they fall into the default category, which is not eligible for any discounts. The formula displayed on the screen is a nested if formula that achieves the same result as the switch function. Notice how the nested if formula involves repeated use of if parenthesis B2 equals and requires extra closing brackets at the end. If we were to achieve the same task using the ifs function, the formula would look like this. While this eliminates the repetitive if parenthesis syntax, it still requires B2 equals to be repeated for each condition. Also, since the ifs function doesn't include a built-in default value, we add the condition true, 0 to handle unmatched cases and avoid errors. In conclusion, when testing a list of possible values, the switch function offers a more organized, concise, and clutter-free formula. It eliminates unnecessary repetitions, making it easier to read, write, and manage effectively. In the previous example, we tested for an exact match between the expression and a list of values, which is the most common use of the switch function. But what if we need to use logical operators, such as greater than or less than for our values? In such cases, you must use true as the expression or a function that evaluates to true or false. Here's the formula we're using in this example. Let's break it down. The expression here is is number B2, which checks if the value in B2 is a number. For each value, we test B2 against the required score using logical conditions like B2 greater than 89. The result is a grade B, C, or D. If none of the conditions match, the default value fail is returned. It's also important to note that the order of the values is crucial. The switch function stops evaluating as soon as it finds the first matching condition. In this example, we've successfully assigned grades to student scores, making the switch function a versatile option even for logical comparisons. Next, we demonstrated how the same functionality can be achieved using the nested if function. However, this approach makes the formula more complex and harder to understand. Similarly, we use the ifs function to achieve the same result. By comparing the switch, if, and ifs functions, it's clear that switch offers a cleaner and more organized solution when working with multiple conditions. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share it with others, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you in the next video.